Hello, everybody. I welcome you to this short presentation of BannersApp. First of all, my English is not so perfect, but I hope you will understand all the details and facts about BannersApp and which chances in this opportunity are to become successful with BannersApp and our team. So, the first question is how many times you are using your smartphone, unlocking it, watching some videos, reading messages, reading emails, checking some other apps. So this is the first question, and I have checked it now through the last 3 weeks, and I'm doing it around 30 to 60 times. It depends on how much work I am having on my computer, on my desktop. But so around this, I'm using my mobile to open and read messages. The average worldwide is around 80 to 110 times a day when people using their smartphone, and 80% of the people using internet only by smartphone. So if I open my mobile, I know this will be mostly work. So sometimes if I was stressed, I'm not so happy to open my mobile, but since I'm using this app, every time I open, I'm having a very bright smile on my face because I'm knowing that I'm earning money. How this works, I explain you now. So every time you unlock your smartphone, the screen, to reading or using your mobile like you do anytime or every time, you will be earning money. Yeah, you will be shown some advertising banner on your smartphone. You can visit the website, or you can just click on close, and the advertising is gone. So it's very simple, and 1 second with one click, it's all done. Actually, around $1 billion per day will be spent for advertising in the whole market. The traditional advertising like TV, radio, and other things, going to be relicts of the past. The internet advertising is actually the most leading opportunity to make targeted advertising, and BannersApp is all them one step ahead, because BannersApp using mobile advertising, and like I told before, 80% of the people worldwide using internet through the mobile phone or the smartphone, and not on the desktop. So every time now you open your smartphone, you will be paid, because just clicking on advertising, close it or watch it, however you want. The most people who are having businesses, running businesses, looking for the best opportunity also to advertise their products, shops, websites, business opportunities, whatever. And this is a really, really good thing to advertise my own products, to bring it to the people worldwide. Not only as business owner, also as customer, because BannersApp giving me the chance to set my preferences based on education, languages, age, married, not married, a lot of stuff, my interests. Do I prefer looking for cars or some other information? So I can set up my target marketing self, which advertising I want to get be shown. And this is really amazing, because anybody on Google, if you look in the browser or using your desktop, you get shown a lot of advertising, which was graded on the search results you're doing in the internet. And here in BannersApp, I can set up my own preferences, and I get shown only advertising what I'm looking for. So how does it work? For this payment will be calculated on the weekly activity on the own viewed banners on my mobile phone. smartphone, and based on the income which will be produced through the people who are paying for advertising, like business owners. So this will be calculated, and anybody who just using the smartphone like you ever do can earn up to $5 per week for using the smartphone. So $5 per week is not so much for some of the people, but a lot of countries, $5 per week. If you see you have a small family, for example, or have a big family, $5 per week can be really cool, because for example, if the maximum I can earn $20 is, I can earn with a family with 3-4 people $60 to $80 additionally. And the most important fact is nobody pays any penny to join BannersApp and to use it. So this is the most important fact. About that you have to think about. For those people who is $20 per month not enough, you have the chance to invite friends to this app, to receive extra percentage of the huge team you can build up to the 5th level. What this means, I show you in some smart calculations, in an Excel calculation. It's based on how many people you invite and they invite, how often they use the mobile. But I make a very small calculation for you that you get a feeling for it. So not only you get paid for using your smartphone, also the people who comes into your team, your structure, family, friends, whatever, and they're also using this app, you get, like I told, some percentage on their earnings, what they earn by watching ads. So and this is a really interesting thing. So the first, if you invite direct people or friends, they are on the first line, you're getting 8% of that, what they are earning. So for example, if they earning just $10, you get 8%. So 80 cents per month only from one person in first line. In the second level, you get from the people who was invited by them, 4%, third, fourth, fifth level, 1%. So totally, you can earn up to 15% through 5 levels. So what this means, I show you in this short calculation. So for example, if you just invite 5 friends to using also BannersApp, and they also invite just 5 friends and so on up to the 5th level, you have around 3,900 partners in your whole structure, or users in your structure. And if they just earning $5 per month, not per week, per month, you have additional income from around $200 per month. In a lot of countries, $200 per month is really amazing. If you thinking about that, for example, they have 2, 3, 4, 5 family members who are using also this app, this could be a great sum. So for the people who has more experience in the field of network marketing, online marketing, affiliate network or affiliate marketing, you can set up other details. So for example, I have already invited 70 first liners and around 400 to 450 people in my team. So for example, if I just say, okay, I invite 50 people directly, and they just 5 up to the 5th level. So this is amazing what there can be produced. Yes. If they earn $10 per month, the average, not $5 per month, we're talking about the month. It's amazing what here can happen. And if you're getting a 10-time duplication up to the 5th level, it's crazy. And the most important fact, nobody of the app users pays any penny to join or to use this app. This is the most important fact. So how you can see, you can have smart view or you can have big view. It's based on how active you are, how many people you invite, how you support your team. We will do our best to help you to grow up your structure, but yeah, the income is based on that, what you are doing and how you are helping your team to grow also. Yeah, this is the amazing thing by BannersApp. So I hope you understood anything I told you. Anytime you unlock your smartphone, you will be paid. If you invite other people up to the 5th level, 84111% you get of the earnings of your team. Nobody has to pay any penny to join a BannersApp, to use BannersApp, and this is really amazing. So I hope you join our team. I hope you join BannersApp. Please talk to your sponsor or the guy or the woman who invites you to BannersApp. Use, please, if you register there, the reference code of your sponsor. And so I wish you a lot of fun and maximum success. The next tutorial will show you how you can sign up on BannersApp, how you can set up the preferences, how the app is working. So just ask for that by your sponsor, that he will send you the second video. So that's all. I wish you maximum success, have fun, and good luck. Bye.